Right, so we got a little impromptu thing going on. I am melting some butter in some bacon fat. We're going to do this is all impromptu, so I'm sorry if it's a little messy. We're going to fry some potatoes and onions. I had some potatoes left over from prepping potato casserole, which is another video. I will probably link it in the description or tag it at the end. Chopping my potatoes into some dices. This is going to be a quick breakfast as we're preparing holiday stuff. So, just dicing up. Had some potatoes left over, you know, you want to use them. Alright, we're going to get that grease really good and hot. We're going to fry. Okay, so potatoes need to go a little bit longer than you usually think. You want them, I like mine holding texture, but cooked. It's for that reason I don't add the onions in the beginning. Yes, indeed. I'm going to bring my heat down just a little. Okay, now if you wanted to add some fresh garlic to this, now would be the time. I'm going to throw in some fresh rosemary. Let that permeate the oil just a little bit. Just come back in and close the door. Sorry, I've got a dog situation going on. Negotiate. Close the door. We're going to drain these off onto a towel here. Now, if you wanted to top this with some fried eggs, sort of a poor man's hash, I would not be mad about that at all. Now, off the heat, hit it with a little bit more of that Cajun seasoning while it's hot. Everything sort of toss. There you got it, guys. Fried taters and onions, delicious poor man's breakfast.